Hey. Well, I'm feeding the stray baby kitten. Poor guys. Look, here's another one. Go away, fluffy kitty. Hey, kitty. Kitty. Look how cute this guy is. If anyone's interested in adopting him, please let me know. I'll put my email address at the bottom of this video. He is stray, but he's tameable at this age. He's approximately about 1 month old. So 4 weeks. Look at this other guy. He's a little skittish. See him? Hey. Come back. Kitty. Kitty, kitty. And that's Mama. I got another one, a bigger orange cat. The neighbors neglect, and we take care of it. This is his son. We took him in. Actually, my cousin took him in. So there's cats everywhere. So if anyone's interested in adopting, or please contact me with the email below, or find me on my Google+. Thank you. Kitties. Look at those little cute cats. Do you play? You wanna play? A little bit frightened. I'll even put a PayPal button at the bottom for donations. Me and my cousin, we feed all these stray cats. We don't have the heart to let them die or run around or get killed, so they stay in the backyard. Well, that's my message. Thanks. Bye.